YouTube script about the 2025 Nokia 6681 for your channel FK iPhone. It's structured to include an introduction, features, exterior design, performance, and a conclusion, staying within the 800-word limit and following your format, -- Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into a surprising comeback story in the world of smartphones. The 2025 Nokia 6681 is here, and it's more than just a throwback. It's a bold fusion of nostalgia and modern tech that's catching attention all over the internet. Let us get straight into it. The Nokia 6681 in 2025 is not a flip phone or a basic call and text device anymore. This time it has evolved into a smart device while keeping its classic DNA. The new version retains the bar-style form factor, giving off that retro charm while adding a polished and futuristic touch. It's built to appeal to both hardcore Nokia fans and people who are tired of the same glass sandwiches we see in modern smartphones. The phone runs on a custom lightweight version of Android, optimized for simplicity and speed. No unnecessary bloatware, no gimmicks. Just smooth performance for those who want to get things done without distractions. The UI is clean and focused, with large icons, high contrast visuals, and smooth transitions. It comes with essential apps pre-installed and offers full access to the Play Store for anyone looking to expand. The display is a compact 4-inch IPS panel with rich colors and high visibility even under direct sunlight. It's not about massive screens anymore. Nokia is aiming at people who value portability and one-handed use. And honestly, the compact design feels like a breath of fresh air in a world full of 6-inch plus phones. Under the hood, the 2025 6681 packs a mid-range processor that handles everyday tasks like browsing, messaging, and media playback effortlessly. It's not built for heavy gaming or 4K editing. But that's not the point of this phone. This is about reliable performance, insane battery life, and a distraction-free experience. Speaking of battery, this phone absolutely crushes it. Thanks to its small display and power-efficient software, the 6681 gives you up to 3 days of usage on a single charge. Yes, 3 full days. No power bank. No overnight charging stress. Just peace of mind and a charger you rarely touch. Now let's talk cameras. This phone doesn't have a quad lens setup with periscope zoom or anything wild like that. Instead, it comes with a single high-quality rear camera and a modest front-facing lens. The focus is on capturing moments, not chasing megapixel counts. The rear sensor performs really well in daylight and decent in low light, thanks to Nokia's image tuning software. Photos are sharp, colors are balanced, and detail is surprisingly good for a phone this size and price. Now moving to the exterior. This is where Nokia really brings out the character. The 2025 Nokia 6681 has a sturdy polycarbonate body with metallic accents that scream durability. It comes in 3 classic colorways, all inspired by the original lineup. The back has a subtle matte finish with a grippy texture that resists fingerprints. The buttons are tactile and clicky. It even has a physical T9 keyboard layout underneath a sliding mechanism for those who want a nostalgic typing experience. Yes, a real keypad in a world of touch screens. And it works beautifully. There's a headphone jack. There's a removable battery. There's even a micro SD card slot. Remember those. This phone is not following trends. It's making its own rules. And surprisingly, people are loving it. Call quality is excellent. Signal strength is solid even in remote areas. and the speakers deliver loud and clear audio for calls and music. No stereo setup, but the mono speaker holds its own pretty well. Another cool feature is the customizable side button. You can assign it to open the camera, flashlight, voice recorder, or any app you like. It's these little things that bring back the feeling of phones being tools instead of just mini entertainment systems. Security-wise, the phone skips the in-display fingerprint scanner and instead offers a fast side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's reliable and fast. There's also basic face unlock for those who prefer it. So what's the catch? Honestly, not much. It's not a flagship killer. It's not trying to be. It's a lifestyle phone. Something that feels personal. It doesn't scream for attention but instead delivers consistency and charm. In conclusion, the 2025 Nokia 6681 is a refreshing reminder of how phones used to be. Simple. Reliable. Focused. But it's not stuck in the past. It embraces modern essentials while rejecting unnecessary complexity. It's perfect for those who want a digital detox without cutting off from the world. It's perfect for people who miss the days when phones were built to last. And above all, it's a statement that not every phone needs to be the same. Thanks for watching. If you're tired of fragile glass phones and want something that brings back the joy of using a phone, the new Nokia 6681 might just be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. This is FK iPhone. See you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover style version or a shorter format for YouTube Shorts.